guys, so we just caught one fish. We couldn't get it on camera because we literally couldn't find the phone. But there we go, guys. That's a channel cat right there. That's what you call a channel cat. So we're gonna stay out here and keep on fishing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see you guys back when we're done, and we'll go catch you guys up at the house, and we'll show you guys how to skin them and all that stuff, how to skin them and see. So, and we'll show you all the fish that we caught.
That's the teeth.
So this guy's a pretty good sized channel cat. That's all we have in here, but that's pretty good, biggest size for a channel, and that's as big as they can pretty much get. So yeah, I'll see you guys back at the house.